ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of trading? My name is Trevor, and we are here to guide you through all the intricacies of trading on the market like never before. Before we begin, I would like to invite you to our community where someone's dream becomes true every day. We choose which strategy to use ourselves, as we have plenty of them. It took many years to develop them so that we would now achieve these and those indicators. And now we give our students who are tired of working 10 hours a day and want financial growth the opportunity to use them. Now we will show you how we work, but first follow the link in the pinned comment and join the community. It's free, as is our personal support and training. The price broke the middle Bollinger Band downwards. MACD shows a clear sell signal, so we have to open an option down. Yes, the trade closed in profit. Strong signal from MACD. And let's pack the bags, guys. Price moving down from the upper Bollinger zone. MACD already confirmed the short, and the opening option is down. Perfect. Ended in profit. Next trade, please. The trend line was broken downwards. Oscillator and histogram have long confirmed the sell signal, and I am entering an option down. Excellent confirmation, as down it went and profits went high. Are you ready to move forward with confidence? In our community, we show you how to master trading without unnecessary complications and fuss. All you need to do is follow clear steps and apply the knowledge you gain in practice. It's like building a strong foundation for a house. Every step is important, and in the end, you get a result you can build on. What awaits you inside? We host daily live streams where we share our trading decisions in real time and explain how to act in different situations. You will receive clear step-by-step instructions that will help you move forward with confidence. And importantly, we are always there to support you along the way. If you're ready to get started, follow the link in the pinned comment and join our community. Now let's get back to the session. Price holding near the middle Bollinger Band and moving higher. Oscillator confirms the same. An opening option is up. Finished in profit, strong upward move. Another profit for the day. Okay, here we have the price consolidating below the middle Bollinger Band. MACD gives a short signal, and I suggest opening action down. Beautiful. A clear downtrend and profit secured. Price broke the... Okay. Trading Euros USD. And the price broke the middle Bollinger Band upwards. MACD confirmed the buy. Entering option is up. Perfect end. Upward move confirmed. Another profit. Here we have the hammer pattern. All right. Here we have the hammer pattern forming for growth. Strong buyback candle. Oscillator supports long, entering option up. Yes, strong rise. Profits up too. Great work, friends, and that's exactly how we conduct our live sessions, with the added bonus of our students following our steps. We have created a system that eliminates unnecessary complications and provides clear, understandable steps. Our community has access to proven strategies, so don't waste any time. Follow the link in the pinned comment, join our community, and start moving toward new opportunities with confidence. Thanks for watching. See you inside, and bye for now.